So we also have the ability, when I say we do the entire building envelope, I mean the entire building envelope. We have the ability to run wires through walls, through roofs, completely sealed like never before, attached to the structure, sandwich sealed. Whatever that membrane is, we could sandwich seal it. Here's your electrical box. Feed your wires through. Do whatever you have to do. Put your cover on. So you've all installed pipes, whether it's a water line, gas lines, HVAC lines. So basically this is the old way to do it. You go through a wall. This is bituthane. It could be whatever material it is. They typically use a thing called link seal. So they put link seal around it. Then they hope when it's backfilled, nobody breaks the seal. And you hope it doesn't leak. The NIL way to do it is we are flanged at the structure. That gives you the ability to waterproof. We can make multiple manifolds for connections and still be flanged. And then we have the ability to connect and connect. We're not a pass-through. We're the pipe itself. We're anchored strong at the structure and the ability to waterproof, and then connect. Any pipe, whether it's a gas line or water line, no more pitch pockets are necessary. I'm sure you've all seen pitch pockets. They put around the pipes. Over time, water always finds its way in. It's always a constant problem. This gets attached to the roof. Pipe goes through. We're completely sealed and anchored strong.